In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively check for transparency in your compositions using After Effects. Whether you're new to After Effects or a seasoned pro, understanding how to view transparency is crucial for ensuring your compositions are just right, especially if you're preparing assets for further use in other projects or sharing them with collaborators. First things first, let's open up your composition in After Effects. We'll start by focusing on the composition viewer, which is positioned just above the timeline. Here, you'll notice various icons and tools that can help you fine-tune your work. One particularly useful feature is the toggle transparency grid icon. This icon usually appears as a small checkerboard square, and clicking on it will reveal all the transparent areas within your composition. When activated, any parts of your composition that are transparent will change to a checkerboard pattern. This tool is incredibly helpful when you want to ensure that specific areas remain see-through, especially when integrating different elements, like graphics or text, over varied backgrounds. Now, if you've clicked the toggle transparency grid icon, and you're still seeing a solid color background, be it black, white, or any other color, don't immediately worry that transparency isn't present. The transparency grid might simply be turned off at the moment. Understanding this functionality can save you a lot of time and confusion, as your actual transparency might be perfectly intact, but just not currently visible due to the toggling setting. It's always worth double-checking that the grid is activated before moving on. Sometimes, you might notice a solid color in your background and wonder how it fits into the transparency aspect of your project. The background color set in your composition settings is there for reference purposes only. This means it doesn't impact the transparency when you're exporting your project unless you've specifically added a solid layer. If you wish to change this background color for better visual distinction during your editing process, you can easily do so. Just navigate to the composition menu at the top, select composition settings, and then background color. Feel free to adjust it to whatever you find most convenient for your workflow. This small customization can make a big difference in your ability to visualize how your layers interact. By understanding these transparency tools and settings in After Effects, you can ensure your compositions are accurately portrayed and fully prepared for whatever creative endeavors you pursue. So, the next time you're in the midst of a project, give these steps a try and see how they can enhance your editing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.